healthy, bright red tomatoes are what producers look for when harvesting their crop. However, bacterial diseases such as spot and speck are threatening tomato quality across Ontario, particularly in Essex and Kent County, where the tomato processing industry is concentrated.
At the moment, farmers have few options to address this problem. A key treatment is copper bactericides. These are sprayed on tomato plants, which work to kill any possible bacteria. But if the disease becomes too severe or the bacteria present are tolerant to copper, this treatment often fails, resulting in dark spots on leaves, defoliation, premature fruit ripening, sun scalding, and reductions in yield. That's why a team from the University of Guelph, led by plant pathologist Cheryl Truman, along with professors Paul Goodwin and Steve Lowen, are testing out a proactive alternative, a plant defense inducer called Actigard, a new product on the market. Actigard works by triggering systemic acquired resistance within the plant to produce chemicals and structural compounds which limit the spread of the pathogen and reduce the development of disease symptoms.
And what we're exploring is different aspects of the effect of plant defense inducers on processing tomato. So particularly here at Ridgetown, what we're looking at is different plant defense inducers and how those can help improve management of bacterial diseases in tomato. So in particular, bacterial spot and bacterial speck.
What makes Actigard different from copper bactericides is that it does not target the bacteria head-on. Instead, it triggers the plant to release its own defense compounds to effectively ward off disease. And it can be used together with copper bactericides to tackle spot and speck from inside the plant and out.
In order to see if the plant defense inducer has any negative side effects on tomato production, the team has been conducting 2 years of field plot trials. So far, the results are promising, as they haven't seen any reductions in tomato yield or quality.
Now, the team is starting to convey their findings to producers across Ontario.
So every winter what we're doing is presenting the information to growers. There's an annual meeting in London for the Ontario processing vegetable growers, so the information will be presented to growers there, as well as at various other events like the Tomato Day in Southwestern Ontario, that type of thing.
The team is sure that informing producers about Actigard and how it can be effectively used is essential to improving bacterial disease management. Moving forward, this new tool has the potential to yield those healthy, bright red tomatoes that the processing industry needs. From the University of Guelph, I'm Samantha Beattie, reporting for Spark Air.